Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds LG TONE Free. And to do this you need to install LG TONE Free application. Now open it, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and click at the equalizer. Then scroll down again, and right here we have two custom presets. So click at the one of these presets, and now we need to change it. So at the bottom we have a button edit, you need to click on it. And now you need to make something good for you. Let's say I wanna this preset, this is good for me. Then you need to click save. Now you can go to the custom tool and also create it right here the same way. You can click at the edit, and right here you just make something good for you and then click save. Also we can reset this preset. If you don't like what you made, you click at the edit, and right here at the left bottom we have reset, you click on it and we have it by default. And it's the same with a custom. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.